Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna unbox this SD camera drone that I have purchased from Temu, and it is E88 and it has got the inbuilt screen. Okay, so the very first thing I'm gonna open this packet. So this is the bag we have got inside. Let me open it and see what are the items included. Okay, most probably I think we may need to have a memory card where we can actually hold the footage if we want to, and definitely why shouldn't, because that's how you're gonna use it, right? Okay, so what are the things I have got? I have got a charging cable and connectors, and also a USB flash drive. This is to transfer data. Yeah, there's like this a memory card reader actually. See the screen, you see the screen is right here, and this is the drone that we have got. Okay, so now I'm gonna configure it. So we turned it to power on with this. Okay, and it's now connecting mode, so I have to connect this with the drone. So this is the drone I have. There's a power button. Let it press and see what happens. It's not turning on. Maybe I need to do some. This is the camera. Okay, this is the camera we have here, and this is the battery. Okay,
I turned it on.
now the good thing about this drone is this is the battery and this is the controller. Both can be charged. Okay, both has got a charging point. So I just removed the tape around the charging point, and now I'm gonna put it in this drone, and it's gonna go like this. Okay, like this. Yeah, so it's connected already. You can see this drone. So basically I had to turn this drone on and this controller on immediately it got connected. Now there are controls here that I'm gonna learn and play, but yeah, initial look it's fine, and it looks like everything is going smooth, and it has got a memory card too by default, and this is a charging point, so it is recording over here. Okay, so let's proceed with this guys. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.